Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Colin, and today we're going to be breaking down one of the most iconic sunglasses really ever made, the Ray-Ban Aviators. These sunglasses have been a staple for decades, worn by everyone from pilots to Hollywood stars. And today I'm going to show you exactly why they're still a must-have. First up, let's talk design. The Ray-Ban Aviators have been around since the 1930s, and for good reason. The teardrop-shaped lenses and slim metal frame make for an unmistakably classic look that's just as stylish today as it was back then. The Aviators come in different finishes, from the classic gold frame with green lenses to more modern variations like silver or black. There's a pair for every style, and they look good with pretty much any outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or just heading out for the day, the Aviators add that touch of cool to your look. Now let's get into the lenses. And there's a lot to love here, especially when it comes down to the iconic G15 lenses. The G15 lenses are a fan favorite for a reason. These green lenses were originally designed for military use, and they reduce glare while still offering natural color contrast. What does that mean for you? It means more true-to-life view with enhanced clarity, especially in those bright conditions. Now, these aren't actually the heavy glass Ray-Ban lenses that they come in. These G15s are offered here at Fuse. And for those of you who don't know, we do replacement lenses for almost any name brand sunglasses. Check us out. These lenses are also available in polarized versions, which are perfect for cutting out reflective glare whether you're driving at the beach or near water. Both the polarized and non-polarized options are available in 100% UV protection, so your eyes are always shielded from harmful rays no matter where you are. And if you ever scratch the originals, hit us up at Fuse and we'll take care of you. Now let's talk about comfort. The Aviator's lightweight metal frame is designed for all-day wear, and with the original glass lenses in from Ray-Ban, it definitely is heavier on your face. This isn't the best option for all-day wear. The adjustable nose pads and slim arms ensure a secure fit without pressure points. You can adjust them to sit perfectly on your face so you won't have to deal with the discomfort even after long days outdoors. Whether you're at the beach, out running errands, or just hanging out, the Aviators stay in place and feel great. Now, we can't talk about Ray-Ban unless we talk about durability. These sunglasses are built to last. The metal frame is not only lightweight, but incredibly durable. It's resistant to bending and won't easily break with everyday wear and tear. And the G15 lenses themselves are shatter and impact resistant. And the glass lenses are great, but they're heavy and they scratch pretty easily. So who should get a pair of Ray-Ban Aviators? Honestly, anyone can rock these. Whether you're fashion forward or need reliable protection from the sun, the Aviators are a great choice. They're versatile enough for everyday wear, durable enough for outdoor adventures, and stylish enough to elevate any fit. If you need a go-to pair of sunglasses, the Aviators are a timeless choice. You get that iconic design that never goes out of style, plus the functionality that you get from a high-quality pair of sunglasses. If you own a pair of Aviators or you're thinking about getting one, let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And remember, if your lenses need replacing, hit us up at Fuse. Thanks for watching.